Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we are making dry fish. Dry fish is very common here in Uganda. So we'll start by prepping our ingredients, our spices. We have turmeric, royco, garlic, tomatoes, onions, green pepper, carrots, white pepper, and basically any other spice that you choose. We will start by frying our onions with a considerable amount of cooking oil. Then tomatoes, and vegetables. Basically, that's how we're going to fry the fish. Cooking this fish is very easy. Today we are frying. Usually I would prefer to paste it, like to put peanut butter in it. It tastes way better with peanut butter. But today I have chosen to just fry it because it's quicker, it's easier to fry. Although the pasted fish is tastier and more healthy because we're not going to use any oils, we're just going to use peanut butter. This is easier to make fried fish. So yeah, basically the recipe is just so simple. That's me frying the vegetables, the carrots, tomatoes, green pepper, onions. Then I'm adding the spices of your choice, of course. That's how easy the recipe is. It's quick, and of course we know fish doesn't take long to cook. Around 15 minutes the meal is ready to eat. So usually I would eat this with posho in Uganda, posho, or known as ugali. But today I ate it with corn. Corn is basically made out of cassava flour. Yeah, that's what I used for eating this meal. So yeah, it's just as easy as that. You first wait for the soup or the water to boil before you can add the fish. I use this method so that in case the seasoning is not right, I'll add to the soup before I can add the fish. So basically that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for sticking around till this moment. Yeah, that's me holding the saucepan with my bare hands. If you're not a ninja like me, please don't use your bare hands to touch a hot saucepan. Well, thank you for watching. Please share with me if you've ever cooked dry fish before and how it tasted like. Thank you all. I will see you in my next video. That's the end result. That's how it looks like. Yeah, and trust me, it was tasty. It was yummy. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye for now.